In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize estimates in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left here, hover over Create, go to Customers, and click on Estimate. Now, when you do that, you will, of course, enter a new estimate over here, and this is where you can get the customization. Now, you want to click on Manage up top, and it's going to open the Manage Estimate. You have customization over here, as well as design. So, if you click on customization, in here, there's a bunch of different things you can do, like some basics, the table content, custom fields, etc. You can toggle these on or off, and of course, they will take effect here on your estimate, okay? That's the first way to customize it. Then the second one is to use the Design tab. Now, in here, it's going to allow you to change different colors, so you can do like whatever you want over here, change fonts as well. There's a bunch of different things you could use. And of course, if you want to create a new template, so right now I'm on the modern template, but there's like only one right now. So if you want other templates, you could also go and create a new one. You can simply click on add/edit, and it's going to take you to a separate tab. So let me actually open this up in a new tab. It's not going to let me, but I'm just going to click on like this. There we go. And then it's going to take you to your templates over here, where you can then create a new one. So as you can see, there we go. I can go to the top right, click on New Style, Estimate, and I can go and customize whatever I want, like the content, design, emails, etc. Okay, you can change anything, then click on Done, or you could also preview the PDF, and that way you'll be able to create a separate template which you can then apply on your separate estimates. Okay, so if I just go ahead like this, save and exit that, and if I go back into estimate, you'll see that under my design tab, it's now going to show me the one that I created, and it's this one over here. So it's the standard. There we go. And then we have this template over here as well. Okay, so these are the ones I created. Of course, you can create them and then use them whenever you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.